The much-awaited Renault Kiger subcompact SUV has made its global debut in India in the production spec version. The new Kiger builds on the concept version that was showcased last year, and nearly 80% of the design has made it to the production model as promised. The Kiger is the second Renault model after the Triber to be based on the new CMF-A Plus platform. The model comes with LED headlamps, bold grille, chunky roof rails and 16-inch alloy wheels. It also gets new C-shaped LED tail lights, rear bumper with skid plate, and flared wheel arches completing the look. The cabin is feature-rich and gets an 8-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, 7-inch digital instrument console, climate control, engine start-stop, steering-mounted controls, Arkemis, 3D sound system, wireless charging, and more. The new Renault Kiger will be offered with a 1-litre naturally aspirated petrol and a 1-litre turbocharged petrol engines, with transmission options including a 5-speed manual, AMT, and CVT automatic. The new SUV will go on sale by the middle of 2021. Triumph Motorcycles India has launched the 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS priced at 16,95,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The model comes to the country just days after the global unveil and is the brand's first launch this year. The 2021 Speed Triple 1200 RS is an all-new model from the ground up and gets a completely new frame underneath, along with a newly developed 1160cc triple-cylinder engine that is 7 kgs lighter than before. The new motor develops 178 brake horsepower at 10,750 rpm and 125 Nm of peak torque at 9,000 rpm. Compared to the old Speed Triple, the new version has seen an increment of 30 brake horsepower and 8 Nm in power and torque figures. The Street Fighter also promises better acceleration and a sophisticated suspension setup from Öhlins. The bike also comes with a host of electronic aids as part of the standard kit. The Mahindra XUV 300 has added a new feather to its cap as the Indian subcompact SUV has become the first car in South Africa to receive a 5-star rating by the Global NCAP. The Made in India XUV 300 had scored a full 5-star rating in 2020 in India. Global NCAP's Indian and African programs share the same assessment protocols, and following a production compliance review, the rating has now been confirmed for the model in South Africa as well. In terms of adult occupant protection, the XUV 300 offers good protection to the driver and passengers' head and neck, as well as the chest area. The body shell was rated stable and capable of withstanding further loadings, with the footwell area deemed stable as well. The tests also concluded that the Indian SUV offered good protection for children with ISOFIX anchors for child restraint systems. The model tested by the Global NCAP came with dual airbags, ABS and front seatbelt reminder as standard.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.